Hello everyone. I have 3 raspberry bushes and they've been eaten alive, but I can't see what's caused it. I found a recipe online, so following my video series of keeping your pets safe, I'm making and testing different methods. Then what we'll do with this one, we'll assess the agreed ingredients. I write for a Yorkshire newspaper as well and have a website, so please visit. The recipe calls for a blend of organic neem oil, washing up liquid, or as the Americans call it, dish soap. And then you need a spray bottle and water. It will kill beet armyworms, caterpillars, mites, mealybugs. It's not known to be harmful to beneficial insects such as butterflies, ladybirds, honeybees, and of course our beloved birds. Just a cheap spray bottle, 750ml. You can buy smaller. This come from Pound Stretcher, about 150. Got my ever faithful fairy liquid. On the screen now is the company where I bought the organic neem oil. If you have an allotment, it could be a beneficial product to buy if you prefer to grow fruit and veg organically. So is neem oil safe for your pets? From what I've read, it won't harm animals, wildlife, or you. Obviously, please don't put undiluted neem oil onto your pets. Because I'm just testing this, so I'm not making a set amount, so I'm just putting a few drops of neem oil in. It had gone solid, so I just melted it in a bowl of boiling hot water. Next is a few squirts of washing up liquid. Apparently, if we use water and the neem oil, it will separate, and the washing up liquid apparently helps keep the blend. This picture shows that even using washing up liquid, the oil and water still separates after it's been standing still. So when you come to spraying your plants, spray early evening or early in the morning. Never do it during peak sun because there's a possibility that it'll burn the leaves. It acts against the bugs during any life cycle. So is washing up liquid safe for your pet? It contains surfactants, details on the screen now. It's regarded as low toxicity, but dangerous if your pet inhales the foam into the lungs. I'll add the animal poison line on the screen now, and then you can call if you feel you have an emergency, or of course your vet. So this is after several days of application. There are new leaves and they have survived, so I think it's working. There is going to be another video to do something else rather than spraying the leaves, so please keep an eye on my YouTube channel. Thank you.